Hello, this is Nathaniel Oxford with a tutorial for the Blastoff song for trumpet and clarinet. You might know this song by a different title, and when we get to the end of it, if you recognize it, hey, that's great. We're going to do it on clarinet first and then on trumpet, but I want to explain why we call it 3-2-1-0 Blastoff. And the reason is because on violin, you're actually going to use 3 fingers, 2 fingers, 1 finger, 0 finger, and then to go up a scale on violin, you just add a finger for each note of the scale. To come down a scale, you take away a finger. On trumpet, it's different. On trumpet, you just have to learn the different fingerings of the notes F, E, D, and C. And on clarinet, it's kind of similar to violin. We add a finger, but we start with our thumb for F, first finger for E, 2 fingers for D, and 3 fingers for C. So on violin, 3-2-1-0 Blastoff is literally the fingerings 3-2-1-0, 3-2-1-0 Blastoff. All right, so let's look at it on clarinet real quick because that's the most similar to violin, where we're just going to take thumb F, finger E, with thumb and 1, finger D, thumb 1 and 2, and finger C, thumb 1, 2, and 3. And it goes like this, F, E, D, C. That was E, D, C, or yeah, E, D, C. Here's F, E, D, C. Let me turn this way. There it is, F, E, D, C. And then Blastoff is just D, D. 3-2-1-0 Blastoff. So we just say F, E, D, C, D, D. Practice the fingers without playing it, and then play it. All right, let's do it on trumpet. It's the same exact notes on trumpet as it is on clarinet. But for trumpet, you finger F, just first button. E is 1 and 2. D is 1 and 3. And remember, between E and D, you're going to leave that first finger down. Don't pick them up like that. And just switch your back fingers. So F, E, D, C. And then just like on clarinet, Blastoff is 2 Ds. So Blastoff sounds like this. Okay, and then F, E, D, C sounds like this. F, E, D, C, just like on clarinet. And if you want to, you can do a little stomp beat. All right, that's the Blastoff song.